Want to wake up to your favorite song or custom sound? First, if you have already, then use it. If not, you can download one from free audio websites like Pixabay or NCS. Open the GarageBand app. Rotate your phone to landscape mode. Swipe left and select Audio Recorder. Tap the gear icon in the top right. Tap on metronome and count in. Turn off the toggle next to the count in option. Next, scroll to the bottom and adjust the metronome level to 0 and then tap Done. Tap the plus icon on the right side. Tap Section A. Turn on the toggle next to the automatic. At the top, tap Done. Click the 3 lines icon in the top left. This switches to the timeline view. Tap the loop icon in the top right. Go to the Files tab. Tap Browse Items from the Files app. Find your audio file. Tap and hold the file. Drag it into the timeline. Drag the audio clip to the beginning. Hold and drag the edges to adjust the starting point. Make sure it starts exactly where you want the alarm to begin. Top left, tap the down arrow, and tap My Songs. Tap and hold your project, then select Share. Choose Ringtone. Name your ringtone, and tap Export. Then click on Done. Now open the Clock app and open any of the alarms. Here, click on the Sound option. After that, select the recently created alarm sound. Done. Your custom alarm sound is now set and you can listen it. And that's it.